Every day by day, we are bringing a different story, things where they happen as we dey talk. Remember that Southeast launch new security, especially in Anambra. Come hear wetin dey happen. Oh, they say that those security where they launch now, inside Ambush, those men they stay. Any Biafra Liberation Army where they see ESN, he say that person don't enter for inside wahala. Listen, I go play you the voice note and the video may you watch. And I go play you another video where Adade or Ramma talk for inside this video. You get wetin talk. But many people don't come outside. Come talk say this woman. Hey, be like saying na too much to get to. I go play the video. May you watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
You people can see that new created security outfit, the new created security outfit, DSS, military, and whatever that they just created, and also away the million or something like that. You see what they do. Their work is to dive inside bush. So anybody that have the appropriate authority, the appropriate link to our Biafran forces, Biafran resistant fighter, Biafran Liberation Army, anybody that have appropriate link have to send this video to them and indicate them how these people hide inside bush and wait for them, so that if they're operating, they make sure that they are very careful and very vigilant, because this new security outfits in which they created in Olo or Swawi, their mood of oppression, their mood of oppression, they have known the road, the road or the way, the road in which our forces operate. Then we'll go and dive inside bush, ambush them if they are coming. But I'm not sure that the person they kill or these people they attack is Biafran resistant fighter or Biafran Liberation Army or Biafran Defense Force. I'm not sure. So what they do, they went and dive inside bush and they ambush them. So our Biafran security force have to be careful and take a precaution or security measure how they operate. That is why I forwarded this video in this platform. So anybody that have the appropriate link have to send it to our Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran Defense Forces. Thanks so much.
Just saying when 10 minutes, it's even 9 minutes. It's can wait 9 minutes away. Bono, oku. Yenji webia no toto our gallant men. Our gallant men. Our gallant men, and I no afafa. I NATO, na gunegu, na why no afafa. I yes, I'm a gallant man. This gallant men and now going to Igwebutuzo number one, the general of all general. Jidela Nibu, Jide Sieke. Since Igwebutuzo, na general gentle. Now all these men, Kaiji Debu Bemba, Aha Wamela Ifa, Aha Wamela now, Nibo Juloi. And was him Obubuane Buai who this man. And the Muwa done them Benandegede. I'm a motum this man see where do loyal to Abatobie. And for the kind of sacrifice our gallant men mele. Mwabatobie. And these people I will all know fake. How? Because somebody be a sacrifice your own way. Nye family ye, nye any no way. Well, let's see off your way when Meluno. Until not know Nasaka Bobo so today. Igwebutuzo, Omazia, now all the generals, they will anywhere to learn to. Hen was the home. Hano wine. Or when was the life of Hanway? I will be a flat land. The only hope Omazia and Wello came with the Biafra hen well over. And anybody who na nwere ike iji ụmụazị a wee egwu egwu my enemy. Iji gwa gị eziokwu. Because anybody who na when ụmụazị a do one side, go see that na one day eye wele kwa anyị nwa na onwe anyị do one side. Eye wele ọnụ anyị lụrụ na this njem nwere onwe enweghị nobody will recognize it. Ọ ife nna afọ ya ọwụ eziokwu dị mma okwukwu. Now I nọ na critical time. Ekwesịghị ihe ndị tụ n'ọnwụ na ụmụazị a request any condition ọnwụ na fa enyere I support them. Any condition Igwe Butu ụzọ nyelu I support him 100%. Do you know why mmeji support ya? Wo etinyere my life. Ama m ihe m na-ejebiga. Ama m attack m na-enwe from left and right. Kwali na ndị ọzọ na-alahụ ụla. You know what? Even now for every day. Wole mazi ya ha nwa na onwe ha mụ nwe kwulu mba na for every blessed day. So to all na pack these guys one place, I will never be happy for any onye osokwanya ulo. Oh mazi awundo ya control I ha ya control fa. Ihe ahụ hondo no na the ground ha wana anane ha furu ka ne na fo ha wana ahụ ya wumbo I know obodo oyibo. Any condition ha nyere anyị we are going to obey the condition. Nye ihe ha chọ ka ha wee keep protect our land. You can nobody can no mụnwa na onwe m enweghị ike mụnwa wa ada ndị mba na ndị egede enweghị anybody ona na struggle sacrifice the genuine na this is struggle. I pack other person one side. It can never happen. I want to do that. I could be yesterday. Oh, that day you go to go. Nanda against it, and there will be against it. Oh, that na a mecha unquire name. In Chopatam that na go to that no one again that guy. And the kucha na here leach that information. Or it will never be well with anybody. We are in the critical condition. I don't care whoever you are. Biafra is donating money for these guys to protect how we protect our land. And you have that money 100%. Whether you like the what he name, whether you like him, I don't care. Whether they work with an kikulo, I don't even get to care. Even to care do you walk, Faro, Yeben Nenuanya. Mobia Flabia Zielo, Amola Zenke Mewo. Mobia Flam Bezella, Amola Zenke Mewo. After Kamadi is willing to sacrifice here for everything. And we have sacrificed, we had me of which is the whole Biafra for handwork of these guys. Or we say the time I need room as mostly able to get color or say about Weben cause our DOS a color say but I don't care. The only thing I care is protect our land. And those guys sacrifice their I told them Kadisi back and front to these boys because Biafras are bringing the money. All the Biafra they are bringing the money, I must say, and when I give you the favor, the Velegi. But I hear some Biafra they will take a use the gun, say all of them, special Butuzo. On the general, upon general, Obatobi like that. On your Obatobi, these guys will even one day. And I will never allow anybody when he kills these guys will is not possible. My own important because Nani even a butcher so much by and a boom as a secretary. You had a Messiah house to house. They kidnap Hamana Hotel. They come and endanger Naba. We kidnap he didn't know that hotel yesterday night. Naba, Nabia State. Kidnap Hanime Hotel. Which distance I hear member to be there. All that name go to war. So war, I don't care. We are fighting for one cause. Oh no, Genkela will tell Biafra. Let them bring up Biafra for me. I don't even care. But now I am based on their group. But I don't need when we came out that sabotage. Yeah, I don't care. Because now this thing was the cancer affair. and the moment what done and take it down on your own no. I say, hey, and when you get one potato, okay, kill a hapata, I don't after. Do it to know now that's truth. If you yes, I done them and take it. Kukwenya, Munga in time. I lead with my own God and my own ancestors. They lead me. You don't name it. And that time I has some bido, Mwanka ne bido. I didn't bido, Mwa has some bido. Now this is the time. The whole Biafra yes, Yebini, Joe, really Zigwe Butuzo. Are then taking care of these guys? We're going to ask our COS. Are Zigwe Butuzo taking care of? And they make it quite sure that Nenye Zigwe Butuzo if you need with his guys. Some say venture. Vas-y, t'inquiète. Tu vas payer, hein? 1000 euros. Sinon, ça va? Ok. Because nobody can hold us hostage. I can never allow that. And the anything no one, oh, will end down in Halanya, will me ife. Oh, will end down, I met to a casananda with the engine. Igwe Butuzo is the engine. Nobody will touch that guy. He is the general. I've been a United Nation. Obodon America. Obodon their state. Other 50 states. And the 50 states are head of head in Damiha. But I just say general now control the whole 50 states. Uno now. And I made you good, you don't for na be me here. And I made time. If we put America can now go, America will 50 states. And that is 50 states, each state will their own general. How will ye? Abezeme general, overall general. If we put is overall general. Obatobie wonye and we Biafra is solely a stamp. Anything on that overall general, Igwe Butuzo the quest. Hence, they protect my land. Because it's like that these people never protest. It's like an apple and kettle. Can one Biafra manifest here? Oh, you here feel. And if you don't ask questions, if you don't protest, what is going on? Mwa woku nene ram make wisi ni ho na neme. Adi make wisi ni ho na neme. Eye mi ho na eye me recruit onda na recruit. Man Igwe Butuzo must to be made the man and the one. Yaka meji believe ni na de ku about him. I don't believe it because my spirit as him believe. If my spirit still believe, I believe him. Now, I will get up. And the man like the whole Biafrans get up and they ask question, what is going on? Where is Igwe Butuzo? Let us drag him out. Because Igwe Butuzo can never be alive. And the and I told you,
okay, my wonderful people, don't forget to stay there for Pump Info News. Here where they bring you bunga news as it they happen, as they watch. Make sure they share the video. You don't ready for this last one.